Tapos makikita mo yung mga nationalistic, kunwari, they pretend to impose on the people a set of values and principles. Hindi naman nila ginagamit. They do not practice it, they do not adopt it, they are just mouthing it, but they are kasali doon. Kung ilabas mo yung sa Congress, makikita mo talaga kung sino ang Pilipino. Malaman mo na walang Pilipino dyan. Ayaw ko kung anong tribo nila. Kaya yan, the only way to know the truth is to make public the information which is mandated by the Constitution to be given to a citizen who wants to know saan yung pera ko? Where are the taxes? Kaya kung hindi ko alam na wag na tayo magbayad ng tax. Ako, I suggest, kung hindi ibigayan, you follow me, I will not pay my taxes anymore. Pero wala naman akong negosyo. Huwag na kayo magbayad. Palamin mo muna kung saan mo ginastos yung pera ko at magbayad ako. Pero kung bulahin mo lang ako year in, year out, hindi ko alam kung ano talaga ang nangyari sa pera natin. Hindi ako magbayad ng hindi naman tayo mag-revolusyon. I will just tell the people, do not pay your taxes until Congress makes it public. Hindi mo masama dyan. I would tell the Filipino, huwag na kayo mag-file ng taxes. Sabihin mo muna sa Congress, pagbayad kami ng taxes, make it public kung saan ang pera namin. At magkano ang nakukuha ninyo. It's not a threat. It's a legal demand. Let me know where my money went or how it was spent. Then I will pay my taxes again this year. Without informing me kung ninanakaw ba ninyo o short change kami o baka ang binigay naming peso, ginawa lang ninyo 50 ang ginastos ninyo, yung 50 kinurakot ninyo, kalokohan yan. Hindi ako magbayad ng taxes na yan kung gano'n. Gano'n lang. Huwag kayong magbayad ng taxes. Sabihin mo lang sa BIR, pati yung hayaan mo ang korte mag-idemanda tayo lahat. Kung ilang milyon tayo hindi magbayad, baski ba 50 million Filipinos hindi magbayad ng taxes, hindi na kaya ng korte yan, hindi kaya ng prosecutor yan, i-prosecute kayo. For what? And besides, it's a give and take. It's a legal demand. It is not an unlawful demand. I-publish lang ninyo, open the books so that we will know.